Hey, coach, if you have ever thought that you need to make more money before you can have more money, I would say that while that sounds logical, in reality, that's not the way money works. Instead, I want to introduce you to the strategy of overflow. I'm Kendall. Tune into today's episode where I'm going to introduce you to overflow and why you don't have to wait to implement it in your coaching business. Overflow is available to you no matter what your current money circumstances are. And plus, I'm sharing one key mistake women in the coaching space make that prevents them from creating overflow right now. So it's all here for you in this episode of the Money Coach School podcast. Let's dive in.
Welcome to the Money Coach School podcast. To really excel at coaching women, you have to be skilled, confident, and even fearless at money coaching. If you're passionate about women holding genuine money power and love supporting women entrepreneurs, then this is the show for you. Now here's your host, money feminist Kendall Summerhawk.
Hello, beautiful coach. Before we jump into today's episode on overflow, I am so excited to share with you that doors are open and we are enrolling right now into Secret Energy of Money. Secret Energy of Money is my signature mentoring program for coaches and consultants to step into the dramatically more profitable version of your business. And this is how you get me as your money coach for either 6 months or 1 year, your choice. I love making money from a place of pure integrity and deeply aligned values. And I would love to mentor you to normalize this reality for yourself as soon as possible. What I've seen in coaching thousands and thousands of women over the years on their business and money is that there are common blind spots that women have that get in the way of making more money. Blind spots like you're hitting a revenue plateau that you are so ready to break through without any more delay. Despite dipping your toe into high ticket, you know you're still undervaluing yourself, especially given the experience and the skill that you bring to your clients. Or blind spots like you want to double what you're charging now, or better yet, what about adding a zero to it? Or the blind spot of you want to quantum leap your revenue with a business model that feels sustainable, avoiding burnout and avoiding unnecessary stress. Or you keep hearing that little voice in your head coming up with reasons why you can't earn multi-six figures or even 7 figures. Or you want more and bigger pay in full clients, but you're not clear how to make that happen. You've got a fire in your heart to achieve a dream income goal, but how to make that happen feels murky. And the last blind spot, money comes in, money flows out, and how to create overflow isn't a strategy that you've yet mastered. What I discovered is that the answer to meeting any of those challenges and so many more I didn't even list, it isn't about working harder, it isn't figuring out a shiny new funnel or marketing harder or dancing on social media posts. Because in reality, there is no marketing tactic or strategy that will overcome a gap in your dynamic with money. Because every decision and action, goal, achievement, success, and your next level, all of it springs from your dynamic with money. Every one, from list size to launches, from pricing to publicity, from just enough money earned to experiencing overflow. From money drama loops to creating money peace and stability. And this goes so much deeper than just generic mindset work or creating affirmations on Post-it notes. Inside Secret Energy of Money, I will teach you the perfect blend of practical money how-tos plus soul-deep money shifts that I've used to create nearly 30 million in my coaching business. Mentoring together, we are going to zap your stubbornest limiting money beliefs. We're going to get you aligned with your next level wealth and implement the overflow strategy in your business. So if you're excited to do the inner money work that will support you in multiplying your revenue, definitely check out Secret Energy of Money. I'll link to it in the show notes, or you can go to secretenergyofmoney.com. So let's dive into the episode. If you've ever thought that you need to make more money before you can have more money, I would say that, sure, that sounds logical, but it's actually not reality. Because in reality, money doesn't work that way. So instead, I want to introduce you to the strategy of overflow. Now, we're talking about overflow because what woman in the coaching space does not want overflow, right? I mean, you were born to be a leader. You're a self-starter, an action taker with a fire on your heart to do, be, and have more. And that includes making money. And I'm right here with you, leading this vision, because if you've known me for more than a hot minute, you know that I am a money feminist and that my vision is to create a world where women hold genuine money power. Call that fighting the patriarchy, call that creating financial gender equality, call it what you will. The end result is the same. You as a woman gaining the skill to create cash, to create financial independence, and to reclaim your power with money. As a money feminist, I truly believe why God put me on this planet is to transform your dynamic with money. And that's what stepping into Overflow as your business strategy can provide for you. You know your mission, you have clients, you have a fire in your heart, and you're already making an impact, but it can still feel like you're playing small with money. I hear you. I hear it from so many women. Now, you're here with me on this podcast because intelligent, hardworking women like you often achieve results prior generations never dared to dream possible. And that looks great on the outside, but when it comes to money, all of that emotional intelligence and wisdom you've gained, it suddenly feels like it goes sideways. And here's why. There is no way you can powerhouse your way through, or worse, ignore rifts in your relationship with money. That next level of income and impact and freedom you desire, it requires a revolutionary shift in your dynamic with money. And that is where I say, hello, Overflow. Now, you're here because you want to experience less of hitting an income plateau in your business, repeating cycles of earn, spend, and then start over, feeling a roller coaster of emotions and a lot of second guessing yourself about money, or feeling conflict between your ambition and guilt about having more money. And you want much, much more of this. You want to create overflow and make that a new, exciting, empowered cycle of making, keeping, and having more money. You want to trust yourself to make money decisions that you feel confident in. And you want to gain what I call CIP, cash, independence, and power with money. And you want to create bankable beliefs that slay outdated mindsets unconsciously holding you back. So here's the mindset that I want you to write down. You ready? Here we go. It is overflow is your new cycle of making, keeping, and having more money. Now, without overflow, women suffer unnecessary money stress, even when they have money. Of all the thousands of women I've coached on money, only about 20% were actually in a place of financial lack. The other 80% either have money or have access to money, and yet there they are feeling money stress. And feeling money stress at all levels of income is so much more common than you might realize, because wrapped up in money stress is often feeling guilt or shame or feeling like it's just you that's experiencing it. Trust me, it's not just you. I am unapologetically a money feminist, a champion of a woman's right to claim and own her financial power and to reach for money goals beyond what the patriarchy has said women are capable of achieving. I've been quite vocal for a long time that my vision is to create a world where women hold genuine money power, because, as I always keep putting in front of you, money is power. That's a good thing. Money is choice. That's a great thing. Money is freedom. Oh my gosh, that is both great and better and everything that we want. And the world changes when women have money, and it always changes for the better. So for the first time in our planet's history, women have the opportunity to earn, spend, and save how they choose, and to be self-determining with money. The only problem is, because this is such a revolutionary time for women and money, it's not uncommon to not know how to navigate your way with money. And of course, that's where I come in. So what I discovered after coaching thousands of women on money and business growth together is that shifting your dynamic with money is the fastest way to make more money in your coaching business. Overflow literally means to flow over the edges of a container because there is now an excess. Now, I'm a Taurus and I'm also a ruler money archetype. So excess, oh yes, you're now speaking my money language. Seriously though, when I talk about excess, I'm talking about when you have ample cash in your immediate bank account, when you confidently set your pricing to reflect value, not time, when you have the money resources to take time off or hire a team or, insert your dream goal there, whatever it is. When you create substantial profit in your business month over month, when you pursue those high-end clients that make your work feel joyful, when you have the option to live location independent, and when you begin experiencing a new cycle of making, keeping, and having more money. So overflow is the key to unlocking profit and prosperity in every level of your business. There are unlimited opportunities for overflow to show up for you in your business and in your life as well. But to experience overflow, you have to be willing to disrupt those emotional money patterns and habits that don't serve you, because when you do, that's when the results start to pour in. Results that unlock all that income and profit and prosperity that is fully available to you in every level of your business. So what stops women from creating overflow? What keeps intelligent, creative women from having that overflow of profit and prosperity that they want from their coaching businesses? I identified 3 money mistakes women make that prevent them from experiencing overflow, and I want to share just one of those with you here today. So the mistake is thinking that you should just intuitively understand money. Seriously? Here's a money truth. There is nothing about money that is inherently intuitive, especially for women. We talk about money stories, and yes, we all have them. I have them too. But there's an overarching collective money story about women and money. Thank you, patriarchy. I want you to think about it. If a guy says that he wants to make a lot of money, everyone applauds. They say, yay, you. But women have been taught to take what is handed to us, to accept and be grateful and settle with having just enough. So what happens is then we've been trained to edit our thoughts, to edit our feelings and actions to keep money at the level of just enough. Well, we know that's not overflow, is it? So the challenge is that sets off a chain reaction of anxiety and always feeling on edge with money, because just enough, we all know it isn't enough. You want to experience a new level of profitability in your business that is not only about the money, but that's about an expression of you blossoming and becoming self-actualized and no longer shrinking to fit with money. But stepping into that dramatically more profitable version of your business, it does not come from reading a book or creating goal cards. The reason why it doesn't come from those things is because you can't read the label from inside of the bottle. Meaning, you can't do this for yourself, by yourself. Now, you can be amazing as a coach or consultant for others, but money coaching yourself, that's not so easy to do. So please, you can stop giving yourself a hard time about why you're not better with money. And by the way, money can feel intuitive once you, number 1, learn how to create cash overflow in your business. Number 2, set up simple money systems in your business that align with integrity. Number 3, identify your deepest core values about money and funnel all of your decisions through those values. And number 4, learn the skill of creating bankable beliefs so that your brain is no longer creating obstacles to overflow. Overflow is a decision that you make. It's a mindset you have that flows into your bank accounts, but it doesn't stop there. It flows into your pricing, your savings, your nest egg, your retirement. It flows into your time freedom. It becomes a way of life. All right. So if you want to do the money work that frees you to earn more, save more, and have more money, then my Secret Energy of Money Mastermind may be what you've been seeking. This mastermind with me is an exceptional integration of practical money tools plus the inner money work that of course I love and adore. Secret Energy of Money includes very specific coaching and exercises with me that results in you making more money, results in you creating a new dynamic with money, and results in you knowing how to handle your money like the badass businesswoman that I know you are. So you can check that out in the link in the show notes, or you can go directly to secretenergyofmoney.com. All right. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your loyalty. I appreciate you for being on your coaching journey and on your money reinvention journey with me. Be sure to screenshot this episode, share it on social, and tag me at Kendall Summerhawk. I would appreciate that so very much. All right, my beautiful soul, I will see you again next week in our next episode. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's episode of the Money Coach School podcast. If you enjoyed this podcast, make sure you follow so you never miss an episode. Also, I would so love and appreciate if you would leave a 5-star review. Your review supports women just like you in discovering all of the juicy tips and insights I'm sharing here on how to coach women on money. And if you want to learn how to excel at coaching women on money, definitely go to kendallsummerhawk.com and check out the wealth of money coach trainings that we have for you. Thanks so much for being part of this money coaching movement and for tuning into the show every week.